This isn't just any home. This is a rally headquarters for you and all your friends. And rumor has it, this is the only one that'll ever be built in Sturgis because they ban these. So you have your own personal 3-story tower with incredible views of the hills. You can see everything going on for the rally, and you can even watch concerts at the Iron Horse right from your tower. This property features a beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath home. It's been remodeled, steel siding, steel roof, 50 amp RV plug-in on the back. Of course, you got the tower here. We talked about that. But what I love most about this property is over here, you got room for lots of tents, lots of RVs. You got a sewer hookup there for that. And then it gets even better. It doesn't stop there. Back here, you have a bunkhouse with air conditioning, has bunks in there for you and all your friends. And then right over here, it just keeps going, it keeps getting better. We have a 32 by 26 foot detached garage for all your toys with a covered overhang above it and 2 50 amp RV plugins on the back, guys. This thing truly has it all. This rally headquarters truly has it all. Comment below, would you party here?